had to delete the audio off of that because they're playing some music over there, and if I have the music in the video, then obviously I get a copyright strike. so I had to mute all that audio, or excuse me, video, sorry. But it was kind of cool watching those classic Broncos running around the track. There's a place, I believe they said it was in Tennessee, that builds all those classic Broncos, and they go out there and tear that track up. And of course you saw the Fun Haver crew. Vaughn was out there checking the tie rods on the Bronco, and then he took some very lucky guests on a rip around the off-road course. So that was pretty awesome also. But I'm gonna go over here now and check out some racing. Also got some drag racing going on down here at NMRA. So let's go see what's going on down this way. So of course we're at Beech Bend Raceway Park here in Bowling Green, Kentucky again. Same place they do the LS Fest East and the Mo Party event for the Mopar guys. This is where they finish up the NMRA Ford Nationals for the season, and it's usually a pretty good time down here. This is where we have a little bit of a swap meet going on. So if you're looking for some used parts for a Ford of some kind, usually you can find something down here. Looks like that guy's got a 4-valve engine for sale. So this is a 4-day event. Today is Saturday. On Thursday they had really bad thunderstorms down here and got like 2 inches of rain, so it kind of killed the whole event on that particular day. And these fields were all like muddy and nasty, so it kind of knocked all this stuff out of contention for the day too. But it's improved a lot and everything's looking good now. Gonna head on down here. There's the racetrack obviously, but there's a big vendor area right over there. You can see the cars lined up for this particular portion of the event.
I have no driver information on the Budweiser side. Equally nice looking hatch Mustang.
And of course, if you go down there, you can show your kids the Bigfoot monster truck and some other cool things, and there's vendors as far as the eye can see. I wonder if I could fit those on my truck. QP Performance, QA1's over here. There's the Texas Speed and Performance guys over there. Got a Coney Performance shock absorber tent over there. There's the RTR crew. And Ford has an official truck here somewhere. It's over there. So you can get some official Ford merchandise. Sometimes they give away a car too. A little bit of a coolant leak.
Put a fuel pump in.
So we just got back from the NMRA World Finals down in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and it was a really good time. Let me tell you, if you're a Ford person, especially if you like fast cars, you gotta go down there. If you live somewhere in the eastern U.S., make a trek down to Bowling Green, Kentucky and check out NMRA. It's a pretty good time. Lots of cool cars there. They had a great car show, lots of vendors, lots of good racing action. Just a real good time for the whole family, really. If you all enjoy cars, you could take the whole family, go down there, get a hotel room or camp out somewhere for the whole weekend. It's a Thursday to Sunday event, so you got 4 days to enjoy there. And you could even, you know, if you come from somewhere other than Kentucky, you could even spend some time doing some other things in the area while you're there, like maybe going to the Mammoth Cave National Park to check out the cave system or the Corvette Museum, or, you know, there's all kinds of things to do down there in Bowling Green. But anyhow, it was a real good time. Weather was perfect this time. You know, we get to the end of September, beginning of October like this in Kentucky, you never know what the weather is going to be like. There's been a lot of years it's been pretty cold when we go to this event. This year it was not. It was in the mid 80s. So you never really know what you're going to get weather-wise, but it was perfect this time. Kind of proud of the Mustang here. The girl's running pretty good now. We got everything lined out with the O2 sensor wiring that got mashed and mangled when they put the transmission back in the car earlier this year. So it's all lined out. It ran pretty good. She's pretty quick for what she is. 11 model years old now. And just crossed 100,000 miles, got 102 on the clock actually, and it still runs like a scalded dog. So I actually really love this car. I got too many toys around here though. Something's gonna have to go. But I do like the car. These Mustangs are hard to beat. So anyway, I just wanted to show you some footage from the event if you haven't ever been there before. But like I said, you need to come down and check it out in person. It's pretty awesome. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Say hi, Nimbus.